Alright, today I want to talk about the AIY voice kit and some of the pros and cons of it and what I ended up doing with it. Anyway, I got this from Micro Center. It was only $5, but if you look for it at Target, it's about $50. So I would check Micro Center. Anyway, what you got here is the voice kit, but not what you expect because it's usually inside a little cardboard box that you have to build. I 3D printed my own box, so that makes it a little bit easier to configure and to make it, sturdy and everything. However, the kit does not come with a Raspberry Pi, so you need to buy your own Raspberry Pi 3, or if you're really smart, you can get it to work with a Pi Zero, but I was not able to because soldering those little pins is really difficult. I may give it another shot, but it's something that you have to work up to. It's not like something that you want to try right away if you've never soldered before. Anyway, so what you have here is the speaker that's in here, the push button that's there, the microcomputer, which is this one here, the Raspberry Pi that doesn't come with the kit. You also have to buy a USB keyboard and a USB mouse if you want to do anything on a monitor, and obviously you have to have a monitor that works with HDMI cables as well as a power supply unit. You can also try to connect up to your laptop using an SSH, but that requires you to have an Android smartphone of some sort, and then you use this AIY app, which is compatible with the Vision Kit as well as the Voice Kit. So that's something to know, that all you Apple people, sorry, you won't be able to do this. You'll have to find a workaround, which may still be possible, but I haven't found one yet, or at least you have to be really smart to get one to work with other softwares. I mean, it won't be through the Google software for sure. But anyway, I got this all up and running, but so far all I've got it to do is an audio check.
Front, center.
And then it tests the microphone. So I'm typing into the computer there, and it said yes, as in that I got the audio. And then the next part will ask me to say something in the machine.
Front, center.
Right, so pressing Y is not enough. You have to say yes, or it doesn't take it. Right now, dodgy. Alright, so then I'm going to press enter and say 1, 2, 3 testing. There you go, and then you hear the voice. Anyway, I'm looking forward to downloading TensorFlow and figuring out how that works so I can program something more fun into the kit, but I was happy enough that I was able to get it running. So I hope this video was useful to you guys, and stay tuned for the next one.